the fuck did I just walk into? Why are you taking pictures in the fridge, and why are you taking pictures like that? What the fuck?
What the?
Hey, let me join real quick.
Hey, look at the bruises on my knees.
I told you you can stay off of them, maybe that wouldn't happen.
Was it from the one dude or the other one from
Wait.
You guys make me look like I'm some hoe and I'm
No,
honestly
not that, but we need to know one thing.
What?
Which one of them was it? Was it Jay? Was it Drew? Was it...
Nate, boy, it's coming for you later.
That's probably what he was saying whenever you got those bruises, right?
Joe, can you tell if you're joking, please? Please? I'm really not a hoe.
Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I was joking. It's all jokes here. She didn't get with Nate. She got with one of the other guys that I was talking about.
This man's making a professional TikTok. I know. He's got the lighting set up and everything.
Who the fuck invited this guy? Motherfucker!
Dude, there's glass in there.
Look, guys, you want it, you get it, okay? You guys always ship Tayler, and so we decided...
You decided. I didn't. You decided.
So I decided, let's do a video where I date my best friend for a day.
I love this.
I'm sure you do, Nate.
Nate,
I love doing this.
The edits are gonna be amazing.
So I think if we're gonna do this right, I think you have to ask me out first.
Oh fuck, don't make this even more weird. Holy shit. Kellyanne.
You're not. You can be married.
Oh
to
yeah,
me.
you're right. Kellyanne stink ass. Stink ass. Will you be my girlfriend?
No.
Oh, that's fucking awesome. Will you be my girlfriend?
For today. Oh,
Okay.
Yes. No, I'm not kissing
Why did you try to fucking kiss me, Kellyanne? She just tried to kiss me.
You're gonna.
24 hours of my fucking life, so.
He's gonna fall in love.
I hope you guys.
He's gonna fall in love.
The fuck? What do you mean I'm gonna fall in love? I'm already in love with you, baby.
Oh.
God, y'all are awkward as fuck.
So like, what do we even do? Like, what does a nice, healthy relationship consist of? I'm used to like heartbroken, like getting broken up with and fucking tears everywhere. So like, what do we?
I feel that. Go on a date.
Like a dinner date?
You can take me out.
You wanna go on a date, baby? You wanna go like, where do you want? Taco Bell, McDonald's, Chipotle? You want some old Chipotle? Like, this honestly kind of tastes like shit. You're not saying no.
Taylor, you been working out? I can't do this.
Hey, baby.
I can't.
Kellyanne, touch his bicep.
Wow, so strong.
Yeah. Chase don't have those, does he?
Babe, can you take me to Starbucks?
Sure.
Let's go. Wait, you need your car.
My card or my car?
Your card and your car.
Fucking shit. Holy shit. Well, I'm not used to this whole L word thing. Like, I haven't practiced the whole L.
Taylor, it's a first date. We're not in love.
No, I'm talking about loyalty. That shit's a little hard. Jesus Christ, Kellyanne, it's our first day of dating. You're already trying to sleep with me.
Whoa, no!
Love you.
We're not there yet, buddy.
Oh, sorry. Thought we was really doing this.
I want to write.
You like my girlfriend?
Why not? That is yours.
Fuck right.
You're so bad.
Hey, don't
You won't get it. You won't get it.
Don't get any ideas. She's mine, all right? At least for the next 24 hours, then she's all yours.
Are you gonna open the door for me?
Baby, I'm rich as fuck. The door opens itself.
Alright.
Where you want to get some food?
Wherever you want, babe. Guys, I really cannot do this.
But yeah, your hand is still on my neck. I kind of start like this. If I fall, don't. Oh God, my legs. Kellyanne,
I love this.
I promise you, you're not fat. I just did leg day today, so my legs are burning.
I love this.
Oh God.
I could do this every day.
Sorry, buddy. My girlfriend's very high maintenance, so she makes me carry her up the stairs. No. I got you.
A gentleman.
So hit me up, ladies, after 24 hours. Get you a real loyal ass man, you know? I mean, not loyal, but like the guy that does stuff things. Yeah, whatever you did. Yeah, I said not loyal. I didn't mean not. I'm very loyal. I fuck. So since I do have a girlfriend now, I think it's right that I call my mom and I tell her that I have a girlfriend. Mom!
Son!
So I have kind of a big announcement.
Uh-oh.
So I have a girlfriend now.
Who is it?
Kellyanne.
You lying.
No, we're in love. She's my girlfriend now.
That would be my dream.
What? The fans wanted it, so we're dating for the next 24 hours. So it's so legit.
No.
Kellyanne, stop trying to kiss me. We're not there yet. Stop.
Hey, Kellyanne, what's up?
Hey, how are you?
She has a boyfriend. She has a boyfriend. Who the fuck was that guy?
It's my friend.
Oh, friend.
Uh-huh.
Boyfriend? We're an hour into this and there's already so many other guys. I thought about it, and what do relationships, what do? You take cute photos, right? You have these photo shoots, you do like these like, oh, a cute couple, they're so cute. So that's what we're gonna do. So come along. Actually, let's make this really dramatic. Can you roll the montage and let's get this photo shoot nice and dramatic and cute. Alright, now get the fuck off me. Damn, holy shit. Alright, boys and girls, that's how you fake a relationship.